morning, everyone. Welcome to the session 2. Open any browser. You just type you need wiki. Click on the first link. The home page of you need a wiki will appear. Then you will have to click on create a wiki. Then the sign in page will appear. You can sign in using your Google account or any other Google account. After signing in, the page will ask permission to access your Google Drive. Google Drive. Now let us see here. So I am using this ID. So it will ask the permission to access your that is Google Drive, see and download your contacts, view and manage your Google document. Then you can allow. Then it will ask the wiki name. For example, I am typing the wiki name as NAC. Now I am going to create. Then the invite page will appear next. Then there are two options such as can organize and can read. If you give can organize, the others can edit your content. Just suppose if you type any mail ID, that person will also edit your content. Then the second option is can read. The other person can read your content. It is better to skip the invite page. When you skip, you will reach this getting started page. Now you can see the title or name you gave in the wiki name appears here in the left top. Now you can add any type of material such as a document, sheet, slide, folder or link by clicking on add new button. Now we are going to add a folder, that is academic audit report, and click on create. See, a folder name academic audit report will appear on the left side as a sub menu. Likewise, we can create many folders. I am going to create the second folder named as criterion 3. So this is the second folder I have created. Now click on the first folder. Now I am going to add a document in this page. Add new, then click on page. So this in this page, in this new page, I am typing PG and Research Department of Computer Science. Now I am going to create the page. If you click on this page, a document file will be appeared in the new tab. Now I am going to type the basic of the PG and Research Department of Computer Science. Just to copy this, so I am going to paste in the document file. Now I just close this window, then I'm going to refresh this. See, the Word document file is appear in the wiki page. Now I am going to add another page, that is PG and Research Department of Commerce. Just create. A page is created. Click on edit. A new document file is appear on the new window. Now I'm just to copy some basic information. Just to paste here. Then I already mentioned that either you can use the option share or close this. Now just refresh this wiki page. Whatever I have typed or copied from the other folder or a Google document is appear on the wiki page. I am going to create a sheet on criterion 3. Now I type the name as the research activities. Click on create. A new sheet will created, and again edit option will appear. If you want to edit, click on the edit button. A Google sheet will appear. Now I am going to insert some activities of the different departments. I am just to copy this. I am pasting here. Now I just close this sheet. Once again I am refreshing the wiki page. Now the sheet will appear in the wiki page. Similarly, you can create a new folder named as metrics. Now I have created the third folder, metrics. Now I am going to insert a slide. This folder I am going to add criterion 1. Then click on create. Now I am click on the edit button. So here the slide will appear. I am just typing criterion 1. So here I am putting just as weightage is 150. If I close this one and refresh the wiki pages, refresh the wiki page, you can see criterion 1 weightage is 150. Likewise, I'm going to import by copy from my Google Drive. For example, I'm going to copy the criterion 1 PPT from a Google Drive to a wiki page. See here, if I click on this, I can see the wiki PPT of the criterion 1. So you can see the PPT exported from Google Drive. Now close the PPT. Now I am going to add some links. So go to the add new button, click on link. Now I am going to our website. So this is the performance of the Youth Welfare Department. So I am just to copy this link and go to the wiki page. I am putting the title as Youth Welfare Department. I am just to paste the link. Now create. It will be displayed in the designated folder. Now click on the Youth Welfare Department. The activities of Youth Welfare Department from our website will be displayed. If you want to change the link, you can click on edit button. Thank you.